Wale a prophet question I pese e bisamo no answer na Stonebwoy ebe friend is settings man akeka na adwin e de akere no will make a particular post on X formerly Twitter or kasaye e de for no ankasa ne settings or tie eye ho.
I mean, say, well, anyway, assembly be free or what, and I say, I no kesi no mona, or mukoye say, I no kesi, I wouldn't even tricks obo. Eh, na mufisi obi suro obi kase miana. I won't say, yes, so I send so and I runti and I mean so I send so I no kesi we as settings man. Say if na say I know cheo sika, it's not a problem. But no I said. Hey, or a settings man. Hey, no money. But it hey.
No, but my God say that is because I'm saying it live on TV. No, now how in the name of pleasing you?
And I make say a settings no dear do no.
So no a settings man because people know.
Me see a settings man. Obi o to me to Rolls Royce name by. Now what to masa akwa kotina abro tire settings.
Boy, Ekokika na adwin e de chair Shatta Wale for the first time in a long while. Okika na adwin pa fresh Shatta settings man. Just will be out tie, you know, which isn't true just to gain fame and popularity. Now, before Saobe making this particular interview and statement, Shatta, a few hours before that, he make a post on X. And my settings no be normal settings. Or to also Ekasa say travel with plans and purpose. Don't travel to impress people. Rules of a billionaire. Now, side I pay attention to baby or make a post talking about on one kasa ne settings not being regular settings. Just hours before say Stone and so Eko Kasa a friend settings man. Now question in Crawford a down margin so and they say is Stonebwoy monitoring Shatta Wale? And I say it was coincidental. In this case, Shatta is a prophet. Well, to those of us who didn't watch that particular video, Moma Nkoshe momenta, Stonebwoy, a fresh Shatta, settings man.
Nipa na omo say omo contend with me no. Na say nipa fufuro bi mpo na. I trust to say with the level of constructivism na me nua ne kura no, industry needs more like that. And nunti na metena ha no udi kaka say ye be see that say artist of the year.
Yeah.
Now what to my throw light on Sebio just for lack of a better word a common analyst.
Yeah.
Ma analyst ababenya pride for the analyst regime and the analyzers.
Yes.
When was akuma panel to that me akuma boni anga to my
what na kasa asem no say sadie no ko aye no.
I don't know my tip
recognizing.
I've heard him say that before he probably before we met in person or sabo so me. And these are the values that I respect.
Yeah.
Intino say ba ni say nipa no me ni kura benya asem a abotre and so would when you na tutu ho first now when you say nyame na me kosuma no na say ni efiri na be si wo hwe no mu na me say we anyway asem bi be free or ho aba na say ano kese no mu na omukoye say ano kese wo ni ni tricks obo na mo fi say obi suro obi ka asem bia na eya won say yes so asem so na ye ehuru ntia na me so asem so ano kese we as settings man it was setting when you or setting on 5,000 CDs. Wakoti 55 CDs Nina Ghana de akoshe de mutiense uska. Now what she you say who intimidating or every 5,000 can say safer. Bisa only say how many times am I promising send me money bibinka 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. Na nyankopo adumuti 5,000 de mi obe bre wo. Na nyankopo adumuti.
So no so de channel.
Me say abotre obeche na ade a oye wunua ansa na me beto no no oye wadanfo ansa na me beto no no TV so na abeche ni ska nka say dia portfolio tie no se nka wache na ade serious wa nka port na beba be kan kuresi wan ansa na beba be physical because of me nke bi ma no say me ke bia ma ba say me kama na ma yebo ne ana. That's what I'm saying.
Angel
because nipa no nika uhu ni character o kana asem say de tie a me nhia no mpo na obi a we hia no anipa na papa ma no ntumi kana asem me a me nhia na otumi a constructed de wom say wom na de wom no kan enye san so asan ko beka because no no lie bia
Confusion
propaganda bina and also assemble koka say out of adrenaline say oh even stone no person say he hasn't explained nothing to me, you know. Say me kasana me the bro from be say serious, okay? Yeah, he hasn't explained nothing to me. Wallahi say say ye be bodua kura ye bodua na portfolio wallahi from that time on minim kwad me be in the studio ma on cash in tire me o.
Yeah.
Say bi obetire mu atire me.
Yeah.
Debi.
O kan ye ho ha.
On beyi na no it is me I'm just speaking from the bottom of my heart. Say oh I was going to make a point. Say I believe say he got a little bit carried away some kind of way to try to say oh unia anokasiye onim say me no enya adia onokura me to me come asem channel. He just wanted to state say he is honest enough to be able to dilute matter here and there. But empono ahana me no beka asem ne say asem be no me ne kai or say or the ompe me no we or pemas shini wa ompe me we
o Philip bia
kasa shini wa ompe me portfolio darling boy to say me family na kasa intimidate ma
disagreed on say a twin na mind me articulating here I was saying say
the online story no
God, I think in me trying to say I have disagreed with you and no meant me anka.
And then the disagreement is not something me and him have had. He's talking about in his mind.
Okay.
Based on issues that would have come and him, and even those pointers that he would have disagreed with me in his mind, no, he doesn't have the fair end of my information, and if he does,
a lot of them I'm just
thank you, and if he thank you, I can see you
so these
wondering
stuff that were constantly,
and I mean thank you, and if he did or if he does. And he got the info from me, say, some things that he might have disagreed with me on previously. Obe say maybe a correct guy. Because nipa anya perfect, but you're correct guys or maybe ye bia me yes you do and ye na nanu mu di mu ntini to me bo me chest ka say maybe a correct guy. So we say me a wrong guy and the onwa also no a wrongest guy.
So one guy, I mean, the whole thing, I think, is a relief for me now. I was built for the Beam Festival. Thank you for that opportunity. But
now, my Ghana Beam Festival. I mean,
but I think say me time no, me running late, me flight no last one. But still, I had the opportunity to perform. But I think I felt the energies were not right for me.
Believe, I don't always say no pretense. And me yidi di ka catch and say guy na wo dwene ho no say na wo dwene o nti man ha hu bebre and a fan base no wo nim say anu kase fans betuma ba be man fire na ya say me fans wa nya me fans omo instigators.
So thank you, that's a relief. That's a relief.
Believe me, it's a big relief, brother. You have not done anything wrong to me. You have not done nothing. If I know Cheo Sika, it's not a problem. But no, I said, hey, or a certain smile, hey, but it
is because I'm saying live on TV, no. Now, how in the name of pleasing you?
And say settings no dear do no.
Because people know.
Monsieur a settings man will be able to meet to Rose Rice name by now to Masakwa Kotina abro settings. Ye name is settings man. Me maka nade menka. Hey, me see my mama news. Nade no ni me. No ni pa no ni me. Hey, masa chwe ni me yo. Ni pa no ni me. Asema me kan wo so chwe me ni me say me dia nenye. Oni me.
So
asembole na unza mini obi a be pesa obe peboni bi so wunya because yes na metie me come as same straight or settings na the deep portfolio or settings obe kana watwe oboa settings
so
oni me kasa ni patwie oni me sira nya kopodi a che nipa untumi ya hu dede any say nipa na mo kasa mo nka no cry bebre sometimes nipa na kasa wa to fi amane ma me nyane ma me na be kasa nya no cry mapo angel
Vimba.
So I want to tell Overlord that. Overlord, so I want to tell you that. I mean, what you've done, and yeah, the Awaya mommy, and your mommy, I'm not ready to lose this relationship.
Oh, I love you, baby.
All the best.
For yes, so that was a moment. Stone addressed Shatta in a very, very controversial way. Where I